Hi neighbor, my name is Hannah. Welcome back to my channel Pretty Hippie Me, and welcome back to Pretty Hippie Christmas. This is the second part of our Christmas decoration video. We actually got all of the decorations now, and now it's time to put them somewhere. We're not fully decided yet on what we're gonna put where, other than the ornaments will go on the trees. Yeah, we have 2 trees, so we're gonna start there, I guess. Like, well, how about this? So like this wreath here is gonna go on the door. We have some nice ambient music playing. Other than that, pretty much everything else is kind of still to be decided. So what we had talked about back in the day when we went shopping a week ago was right where this rocking chair is. I was thinking that could be a spot to maybe move the rocking chair and put a table there and put a tree there, like kind of on the table if we went with a smaller tree, which it turns out we did. And then this table over here was Elle's idea, where we could, again, with a smaller tree, put it on that table, you know, clear all that crap off. So I think that since we have the 2 4-foot trees, we can do both.
Well, I was kind of thinking about maybe what if we put the black table over here. So
okay.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Across the room. And I only say that because I never pay attention to that corner, and I wonder if it will pass into obscurity if we put everything over there.
Ah.
Because it's just not really like there, an obscure part of the room compared to like wham!
The table that he's talking about is this little like folding tray table. We would put the tree on top of that. To me, I don't mind it being a little more kind of back. It'll create kind of the ambiance, and that's why I like having it on the table and lifting it up makes sense to me, because it'll fill this visual gap between the TV and the shelf. We're artists of the home. We can try all sorts of things. So I guess maybe let's do that first, like put together the trees. Also like clear off these areas where we're gonna put them. Sweet, we have a plan. Join us, Dixie? Help us decorate?
Yay, tree. You have the lights on them already.
Yeah, it's a pre-lit.
That's fun.
It's a pre-lit tree. Both of them, because there's 2 in this box. They've got to be really skinny. This is a nice little vase for it to be in.
It's like stone. It's like concrete that's in the bottom part of it.
Ooh.
Yeah, these will look pretty good.
Cute.
We each get a tree.
Yeah.
Now this couldn't be any easier. We just set them up. It doesn't go in as deep as I would have hoped it would, but it's okay.
I'm gonna give my oh, huh, yeah. This star is my tree topper, so I'm gonna put him on my tree.
We're gonna do it first, baby?
Oh, you're right. I'm supposed to wait. It's like we're in the depths of the forests here. I can't even see. I'm lost in the woods. It's so dense, so thick. So here's my Christmas tree in the corner next to the TV. Elle set it up for me while I was in the bathroom, and I think I like it. I was imagining it a little farther back, but I think having it pulled forward like that is perfect. And then we have room for a couple chairs here. Elle's tree will be over here on this table. Here, you take that off. I put this one on.
The shifting of the wreaths.
Yeah. It's officially Christmas. Ooh. Is it gonna hang okay? Just gotta give it a fluff.
These are bendies, each of these leaves.
Ooh.
So you can fix them as you please. I don't even know where we got these.
Walmart last winter. It's a most beautiful wreath to find at Walmart.
I like the frosted stuff, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Yay! It's so nice, baby. Yeah. So here's our completed Christmas decor. We have our stockings down here. Some little stuff sprinkled into this cabinet. Lights all around. We have some of our little trees here next to the portrait of Dixie. This is the Christmas tree that Elle decorated, which the cord was too short to go on top of the tree. So it's sitting in a nice little Christmas box next to the tree. Oh, but it's a really pretty star. It's a good choice, baby.
Thanks, baby.
With the flat tree behind and the elephants, who they're not really Christmas decor, they're just general decor, but they're great. Moving around the room, we have our Christmas pillows that we got from Goodwill. We have Dixie's stocking, some more of our little trees from Dollar Tree, our wax melt candle thing with the shovel that we got from Goodwill, which I forgot about, but then I found it in the closet. I'm so excited we did because we fixed it and now it looks great. It's really nice. It's really cute and homey. So then here's my tree, which has all the ornaments from the outlet store and Dollar Tree, and a couple from the set that we got at Goodwill. My star, I managed to put it on, but I had to shove like 7 branches up it to make it stay. And I will say this tinsel that we got at the outlet store is pretty thin and crappy. So that was a little disappointing, but it's okay for a starter pack. And then we have this snowy winter garland that we got last year from Walmart, which we put on our TV console thing. And right above the TV is our sparkly Merry Christmas that we got from Dollar Tree. And then the last pieces, you already saw us put them out there, but we have our Christmas wreath and our, what's this?
Door knocker?
Door knocker. Jingle bell door knocker. Yeah. So it really sets the tone from the moment you walk into the room. Yeah. So this is our Christmas decorated apartment. It took a little while just because Elle had to go to Walmart and pick up some more hooks for all the lights, but absolutely worth it. And now we're just gonna settle down to a calm evening here in the home, watching this series on Netflix called The Holiday Movies That Made Us. It's in the same series as like The Toys That Made Us and The Movies That Made Us. But it's a good series. You should watch all the blank that made us on Netflix. Yay, it's nice. So that is the end of our Christmas decorating saga. Thank you so much for watching. How is your Christmas decorating going? I feel like we did this much later than we planned to. But I'm glad that we got it done, and I think that it turned out really, really, really nice. Even with, you know, decorations that we got for not much money, you can make stuff look nice. You know, choose the right things and you can get a nice outcome, you know? If you're following me on Instagram, definitely tag me if you have any photos of your Christmas decorations, because I really like to see. Or if you have any outdoor decorations, because we didn't put any lights outside or anything this year. I think that next year we'll do some more expansion on that into the outdoor part of the decorating. Let me know, you know, where do you buy? What kind of decorations do you put up? Have they been in your family for a long time? Are they new for you? Do they have stories attached? Like, tell me all of your stuff. I really want to hear it in the comments below. While you're down there commenting, I hope that you enter my giveaway. As soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give one of my subscribers 100 American dollars. So all you have to do to enter that giveaway and potentially win that cash is, sorry I did that, is subscribe to my channel, leave your Instagram in a comment below, and go follow me on Instagram at PrettyHippieMe if you're not already following me, because that's where I'll be communicating with the winner when the time comes, when that person is chosen, to arrange like how I'm gonna send them that cash, you know? I hope that that person is you. I hope that that win comes soon, that I can give away that money before the end of 2020. I hope that you join the neighborhood because it's nice here. We got nice people here. We do a lot of decorating here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you and your time and the fact that you are spending your time here with me. See you tomorrow for some more Pretty Hippie Christmas. So much love. Bye.